Ah, welcome. Alright, part 2. Look at this beautiful menu. Oh, God, I missed you. I don't even know if I'm going to play Whistleblower DLC, but alright, we just gotta hit continue. Cheeky little plug. Way we do these episodes is I stream on Twitch. XXRepot1169. So if you guys want to see the uncut versions of these episodes, go and click on the Twitch. A link won't be in the description. I mean, if I figure out, yeah, I'm sure I can figure that out, yeah. New to this whole thing, you know, new to the scene. KSI, I'm coming for you.
Yo!
Oh my god. I'm already off to a great fucking start. Alright. Oh shit, yeah, Douglas and Jerome. Now, should clarify that as we start. You may notice I'm somewhere else compared to my start. It's just compared to where we started or ended in the first episode. That is because, yeah, file got corrupted, you know, all this shit. We're getting better, I'm getting better at horror games. Getting better at editing. Yeah, so you didn't miss much. Mainly just these two lovely gentlemen, Douglas and Jerome. That's Douglas to the left, Jerome on the right. Now, these gentlemen have very big fucking shows. And the detail, my god. Yeah, now I think about it, you missed a lot, but we're good. Oh, never mind, you didn't. It put me back here for some reason. It didn't save. Alright. Yeah, I just got past this jail bit. Yeah, hello Douglas, hello Jerome. Good day. How you doing, gentlemen? I'm not going to look at your penises because I want to try and keep a safe PG, or fucking just safe little YouTube. How you doing, gentlemen? I get the feeling I'm going to run into you lads later. Kind of got used to the whole horror scene, yeah. Such a fucking shit liar. Calm look down, man. Oh, I don't have to get up here. No! Jeez! I forgot my character's wide as a snowflake. Okay, yeah, I remember now. I'm remembering the controls. Oh, yeah, he can break those doors, can't he? Am I gonna verse the fucking Karen already? Jeez. Right. Yeah, okay, I feel more comfortable. Bro, what is that noise? Who's clapping cheeks down there? Oi! Oh, it's a guy with no dick. Oh, poor dude. Yeah, that's Lance. Yeah. Like Lance. He was good to me. I had to leave a lot of my colleagues, if you will, back there in jail. Oh, fuck, bro. Where were you reaching for, mate? Don't jump scare me, I swear to fucking god. Got any? Yo, shit, I think he has some money. I want to see those drawers. Those drawers look really good. Those pants, yeah. Does he have a gun on him? I'm not stalling, I'm just getting... Oh, yeah, I remember now, I remember. No, what? I hold X, don't I? Yeah, okay. This door needs to be... Yeah. Oh, wait. Oh, shit. Excuse me, sir. Another grabber to ask, Hello. Excuse me. We'll go find a key card. Oh yeah, okay. So I'm guessing I just go in here, right? Fuck me. Fuck. Damn, babe. Oh, Karen! Hey! I don't run it anymore, bro. You can have it. You run the jails now, I understand. I'm gonna end up down there, aren't I? What are you doing, you crackhead? But yeah, I got you on camera too, mate. Oh, keycard. I'm always gonna check doors now. I don't want to miss anything. Fuck me, bro! Fuck! Every fucking time! It's like when I grab a handle, you're just ready, primed, for me to just bend over or some shit. I'm not the tallest white dude, nah, I'm fucked. Now that Karen's on the loose, I'm fucked. there any secrets in it? Oh. Karen's gonna be here now, isn't she? Honey, that's my footsteps. Breathe, breathe. Fuck me, I keep thinking those are his footsteps. I think we're good, I think we're good. Okay, I'm gonna hold X. Oh, okay. And then I hold... I don't know what's worse, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, just do it, just do it. You ready? Fuck! Nah, fuck it. Oh, it's that way, shit. 7 news. 7 news. No objective. Exit through showers. There's always an exit in the showers. What? They're like... Oh, nice. So I can keep the camera on night vision. Yeah! No. Fuck off. What? What the fuck was that? What the fuck? Did I die? Already like... Fuck me, right? Shit! What the fuck, man? I just got fully shanked. Who came up behind me? Fuck you. I'll slam this shit. Okay, I know he's there. Who dropped behind me though? That's my question. That shit scared the fuck out of me. Am I not meant to go that? Wait, you... Jerome! Jerome! Douglas! Hey boys, hey. We've been through a lot, eh? I hate this shit, bro. Hey, what the fuck? I thought we were brothers! Oh my god. I'm better, I'm tolerating when they're humans. When I can see their eyes and shit and they look normal, I'm good with that. It still scares me though. So what am I meant to do? Oh, hide in the locker?
On floor D, of course Jerome and Douglas are on floor D. Jerome, and then he's here, isn't he? Wait, he's not here. Yeah, oh my god, Jerome! Douglas, you're chill, right? Boys, I'm really not worth the fuck. My arsehole is tight. I mean, it's loose. It's loose! It's loose! Fuck! I didn't expect you to do that. I thought I glitched it. Okay. I'll work it out, ladies and gentlemen. I will. Is it here? Oh, is this a door? Of course. Oh, can I hide? Exit through the showers. Yeah, but I'll sneak. Oh, I got ya. You gonna walk past? Douglas, Jerome? Oh, so wait, bruh. I am such a like... Am I just fresh meat to you boys? So if I walk here, then you come... Yeah, can I hide in these? I don't know how to hide. No! Oh, wasted batteries. How much batteries do I have? I got 2. So wait. Am I supposed to like... I don't know, ladies and gentlemen. Is there like... Oh, is there like a hole?
Oh, yes! Oh. Douglas, fuck you, I'll play. Oh, they sound good up.
Attention. He thinks we're assholes.
No! I missed! Fucking jump scared myself. I don't know how they betray me like that. We used to be fuckboys back in the day. Believe it or not. Now, I'm not gonna miss quick. I hate how if you push up like a little bit.
He thinks we're assholes. Or stupid. Let's pull him in.
I don't think you're stupid.
Wait.
I think you're...
Just a moment.
Rearrange my belly. I've got you on camera, Douglas and Jerome. You're fucked. I can't go in. I guess I go here. Fucking, what's it called? Fuck me. I hate how quick and white my man is. Like, you just vault shit without a fuck given. Like, I can't peek or anything. Yeah, I'm a timid male. Maybe that's why Jerome and Douglas turned on me. I got one look at my ass and just fucking... Oh, I got the key card. Yes! I hate this, man. I hate that. That's the shit I hate in horror games. Quick openings. Douglas? Yo, Douglas. Jerome? Jerome? It wasn't him. I felt safer with Douglas and Jerome around. No. Move your fat ass, Karen. Oh, you're breathing so heavily, bitch. Does the chain rub up against your crotch or some shit, man? You look. That is a G-string and a half. I was right. The chain rides right up to your crack. Good, we're good. Stealth is my ally. Darkness is my ally. He doesn't... I am so... I bet you guys can tell how much of a bitch I am. I'm checking everything. Oh my god. Give me a... Alright. He doesn't come upstairs, does he? I'm not... don't fucking slowly open it. Slowly. Oh yeah, I can hide under beds. Oh my god. I forgot all about that. Fuck! Why don't leave the door? Don't die on me now, come on. I'll use the battery tactic. 40 minutes of being a bitch. Oh my god! Of course. Oh my god, he can break doors, can't he? He can break doors. Oh my god, no. Hide! No. Hey man, does this game have like a random mechanic where you just... Don't you fucking dare. I can kind of see it in the dark. Like, my eyes are adapting. Is that your dick? Epileptic warning, I am going to be playing this like a bitch. As you can see, 43 minutes now of being a bitch. You know, I'll put the camera away. Oh, I won't. I will not. I will do no such thing! It said showers, but why would it want me to go this way? Oh, it's because I opened the door, isn't it? That's what he heard. Is he coming this way? Is he coming this way? That's where I'm meant to go, isn't it? Hey, buddy! Am I meant to go back? Is that what I'm meant to do? Is that what... Oh, is that where... Wait, how the... Oh, because he banged down the door! Oh, my fucking lad! Suck shit, Karen! Not that way. No, okay. Fuck, I hate this game. Camera away. No more being a bit. I have traumatization with these fucking things, man. He's coming, isn't he? He's coming. That's nothing, fuck that. I'm gonna stop being curious. I'm not even gonna open doors because I know now that fucking here. The shadow's drop! Fuck! Oh! Who the fuck are you? Oh my god, man. Man, you're gonna... I need a breather. Shit! G.I. Jane 2, can't wait to see it. Fucking Spider-Man 2 villain comes. Yeah, I voice cracked, so what? I'm a big boy. Can I? Why'd I do that? Why'd I do that? Wait, wasn't this with the runner? I hate you, bro. You're the one that fucked this whole playthrough up now. Hope you know that. Holy shit, that's stole. There was a stole. Yes. Yes, chat, that was a stole. Don't go into that. How you doing? Have you guys seen Jerome? Have you guys seen Jerome? Oh, he can't see. No, fuck off. Wait, I know you're gonna do something. Fuck off. Why do you follow me? I'm not going into the light. Oh, I don't like this bit one bit. Are you fucking the lock? Piss off, bro. How do you see me? Bro, I run this damn prison, bitch. I don't want to go in a cell because I'm going to get butt fucked by the queen over there. Do you have something on you that I need? Do I like... How you doing? How you doing? Oh shit, your zipper's down, bro. I was fucking right about you, wasn't I? Thank you, you're a legend. You fucking saint. I love you. Holy shit. You just killed me. I'll come back to you, right? I'm gonna name you after that. Douglas, Jerome, Lance. Your pants. Nah, You know what? Izzy. Thank you, Izzy. Izzy the real one. Izzy a fucking G. Holy shit. Oh. Right as I'm starting to relax. I swear. Yeah, righto, chat, righto. Jump from the left. Oh, okay. Oh, that's kind of cool. Yeah, I can jump. Oh my god, I can jump. Dodge and weave. I can use that bed to hide. Are you good? Are you safe? Fuck off, bro. I will fucking punch you. Fucking follow me again, I swear, I'll lay you out. No, I just... Anyway, I'm running away though. Yeah. You're lucky. Yeah, you're lucky! Oh my god. That better not... Yeah, easy win up like that. Fuck me. No, I hate this. Okay, fuck me, don't... Oh my god, you prick, bro. How you doing, G? Don't, I swear to god, game. Bro, I swear, if you jump at me, I will... You got no choice. Your foot is fucked. I'm sure you're good. Yeah, okay. That was good. I was prepared for that, and that was piss poor. Yeah, piss poor, mate. Crash of a fucking jump scare. I don't know what you fucking thought what you were gonna do with that. Your homies. Fucking Jerome does better than that. Fuck, bro. Someone on a rag. He's gonna lead me to the closet. Oh, that's the showers. I can hide in these lockers. That's not... This game has me on edge, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, get fucked. Hey, good checkpoint, right? Surely. I'll get through this bit. And, ladies and gentlemen, pray for me, please. Battery? What's with the fucking Halo theme? Oh, bro, don't tell me this game gets scarier. Funnily enough, bro. I'm just winging. Oh. I thought I finished the game. I Job done. Hey, GG. GG is. So good, what was that? Because I looked away, I made it 10 times worse. That looked like a fucking ghost. Just. I don't know what the enemy is, because I know there's the Karen, but the Karen's not too bad. Oh. Can't talk. Fucking bitch in robes, man. Levitation. And if you can fit through that, I'm fucked. You nimble bitch. Whatever you are. I'm out of batteries. No, I'm fucked. I'm gonna be fucked. I'm going... Something's in the pipes. Somebody's in the water. No. Just get in. Just get in. Don't look back. Where the fuck? I'm gonna run out of batteries. I'm actually gonna run out of batteries. Objective. Flush the water by turning the 2 valves. And then what, you want me to go down there in the piss? Hell is this? I must confess. Not very bliss. Hey Karen, you want some of this? You saw me in. Officer! Dodge your weave! Yeah! Bitch! Fuck you, Karen! Get in! He didn't see me! She didn't see me! Or it didn't. They didn't see me? They them pronouns? They them pronouns? They them pronouns! I'm alive! I don't know if that's a good thing! Fuck me! Your crowd! Oh yeah! Yeah, you ran the bread! I'm too dead. My head's fucked up for this, man. No, I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh wait, I can't go that way. What if I bomb? Right into his fucking arm! Breathe. Alright, I know where to go now. I'm not gonna fucking be fooled. I'm gonna be fooled. Oh wait, can I just run straight there? I can. Genius. Oh, and I've got batteries back, yes! Let's go, lads. Are you serious? Wait, that's the way I go. Follow the enemies, right? Does Karen come back? I'm just gonna quickly book it. I'm not looking. Oh my god, that worked! That fucking worked! Wait, is this the way I came? Don't tell me it's the way I came. It's not, is it? Yeah. Oh, I'm fucking wing. I should do that more often. That helps me a lot. I swear. Wait, this better not be the way I came. I'm good, right? I'm good. This is safe. This is bliss. What could it be? I just put the door open on its own. Shit! I have a camera out, you fuck! Oh, we're good, right? Battery. Battery. Champion. Champion. What do I do after I twist it? Won't he come for me? Oh, I've got to go back, don't I? He can't come in because he's a fat fuck. She's a fat fuck. What's back there? I'm curious. Like, can I... Oh, is it just like... More... I feel like he came there. No, 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 no. No! Oh! Shit, bro. Oh, the sound in this game. Hey, I'm not in here. Don't tell me you're about to get on your hands and knees and twerk. Oh yeah, I need to go. Then I just hide. Play safe. I'm a bitch. I don't give a fuck. Play safe, play safe, play safe, play safe, play safe, play safe, play safe. Don't you fucking come this way. Don't come this way. Don't come this way. Is this what I did? Did I... Like a new way I could go? Oh. Okay, and I've got... I feel safe when I've got fucking, yeah, when I've got these beautiful things. I did it, right? I did it. Karen comes this way, doesn't she? Yeah, she does! That was calm, I expected that, so it wasn't a scream! That doesn't count as a scream. Good old Ned Kelly. Can't go fucking wrong. 7 news. What's up, bitch? Yeah, you're pissed. Piss! You're joking! You're joking! I live! Turn the fuck around with your animation! I hate this so much. I hate that. Vault? Or not? Wait, is this what? Did I punch the bitch in the dick? I knew it! Just jump. You caught the ladder. Oh, that is night vision. That is... Did I just glitch it, maybe? Did I glitch it? This is night vision? Are you having a laugh? Is it because my batteries are dead? Tell me it's because my batteries are dead. Thank you! If that was night vision... Unlucky, mate. Unlucky, mate. This ain't water, isn't it? Very unlucky, mate. Go piss off, bro. Piss off. Piss off. You can't get him. One more jump scare. One more, and I think I'll be the end of the episode, lads. End of part 2. Fuck me!